Hannah Elizabeth Yates was born on October 17, 1875, in Big O Creek, Arkansas. She was the second of 7 children born to Andrew and Virginia Reed Yates. When Hannah was born, her father was 30 and her mother was 19. When Hannah was a 1-year-old, her family moved from Arkansas to Douglas County, Missouri, and her parents began farming for a living. On December 8, 1892, when Hannah was 16, she married 20-year-old John Driskell. Hannah and John would have 9 children together, 2 boys and 7 girls. Virginia, Mary, Alfonso, Clona, Verla, Maxine, James, Delphia, and Albertia. Hannah would have her children from the age of 16 to the age of 40. Out of their 9 children, at least 1 would pass away at a young age. Virginia was born in 1893 and passed away in 1896 at the age of 2. I couldn't find any information on where she is buried. One ancestry site says their second child, Mary, passed away at the age of 1, but another site says she lived to be 67, so I don't know which one is correct. My guess is the one that says she lived to be 67 is. Hannah and John lived in Ozark County, and in 1930 they moved to Douglas County. They made their living farming, and Hannah took care of the house and the kids. Hannah passed away on January 4th, 1946, at the age of 75. Hannah's family buried her in Yates Cemetery in Douglas County, Missouri. There are very few Yates buried in this cemetery, so I am guessing that Hannah's family is probably what Yates Cemetery is named for. Her cause of death was chronic interstitial nephritis. This is a chronic kidney condition that causes inflammation and scarring in the kidneys, and it eventually leads to a gradual decline in kidney function. There were 2 other things listed below on her death certificate, but I couldn't make out the handwriting. Like usual, can you let me know in the comments if you have an idea what these say? 4 years after Hannah passed away, I found John on the 1950 census. He was 80 years old and had moved in with his daughter, Clona Driskell Brown. He stated on the census he was divorced, so he may have remarried after Hannah died, but I couldn't find any sources confirming this. This made me think maybe it was an error on the census. John passed away in 1952 at the age of 82. Like Hannah, John also passed away from chronic kidney problems. He is buried in Yates Cemetery next to Hannah. Hannah and her husband both have conflicting dates and years on several things. Hannah's death certificate and obituary matched each other, but her stone has a different birth year on it. Again, I'm not sure which is correct. My family tree showed that I am related to Hannah. She is my 9th cousin, 3 times removed. Thank you for watching. Rest in peace, Hannah.